Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commodity commentary for Wednesday. It's about 2:20 Eastern Time. We had sort of a mixed bag today. Of course, we're in our second day of the government shutdown, and it's beginning to affect some interesting parts of agriculture. I know that several clients have told us that their local FSA office is closed. That's sort of a bummer for peanut producers, as they may want to be putting peanuts in the loan. Of course, nationally, the futures derive their, direction from where cash cattle, cash feeder cattle, cash hogs are going. I think all of that is unavailable now. So we're starting to see, a little bit of effect on some of the data, which sort of drives our futures prices north and south. Hopefully they can get that corrected pretty soon. In the way of just the markets, the cotton market a little bit higher today. Cotton is concerning itself with the notion that in the northern hemisphere, as we're entering harvest, that the crops are not that robust, either here or in China and India. And so the market's a little concerned with that. We could certainly continue to see tight stocks, which will undergird domestic prices here. Hence, we're closer to 87 cents than we are 67 cents. We've been struggling for well over a year with the notion that with 90+ million bales of the global carryout, we should be going down, but that's certainly not been the case, and I don't think that's going to be the case, anytime soon. Over in the grains today, the wheat-corn spread worked yet again, made new highs for the run. I think it's $2.42 over. We had talked about that spread going up to $2.50, $2.60, so we're virtually there. But anyway, the last crop report, or last quarterly grain stocks number, of course, showed us less wheat, more corn, and more beans. Now, beans are up 12 cents today because it's going to be very cool in the northern grain belt. As a matter of fact, I think Wyoming, which is not a big, understandably, grain state, they may see their first snowfall. So interesting to know that on October the 4th, in the last couple of years, soybeans have bottomed. So interesting to, and I guess we know why. So anyway, the bean market's pretty much oversold. I think you could see certainly some bottom pickers come in and try to pick up the beans, and corn for that matter. Crude oil today sharply higher. We may have put in a temporary low. We're up about $3 a barrel. And of course, some of that relates to the fact that the dollar's been coming down, and that's because of the government shutdown. Foreign traders, foreign investors are getting less and less enthusiastic, having less confidence in the U.S. dollar because of the congressional shenanigans, so they're selling out of the dollar. I guess in a way that does help agricultural commodities. At any rate, we'll be here tomorrow with you for some more assessment. Have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.